Kiama Blowhole, created 260 million years ago, formed from basalt lava flows. The blowhole was first discovered by local indigenous population, and only by 1797 was it found by George Bass, being part of Bass and Flinders, who discovered a great proportion of the Illawarra. The blowhole, known for its scenic views of Kiama Harbour and pristine beaches nearby, holds a dark past. With initial research underway, we have so far uncovered the drowning deaths of 10 people, with 2 rescued before it was too late. In January 2020, 2 teenage girls nearly drowned after being swept into the blowhole. January 2019, 33-year-old Wadi Androris, while snorkeling, suffered a heart attack before perishing in the blowhole itself. April 1997, 2 young girls drowned at the blowhole after a double suicide. The 2 girls were 21-year-old Katira and 16-year-old Masude. These were members of the family who perished in 1992. 21-year-old Katira was celebrating her 21st birthday, paying respects to her lost relatives, when the 2 girls jumped from the rocks and sadly drowned. It was later confirmed that it was a planned suicide. Then, in 1992, 7 people drowned, 6 people recovered, with 1 male still missing. The 6 people recovered belonged to 2 families who were related. So I guess that leaves us the question: are the souls of the 10 people who perished at Kiama Blowhole still with us? Or have they moved on? Let's see what we find out with the spirit box next. Can you tell us who told us to come in? Probably not today though. Yes. So I'm pretty used to being called an arsehole out in the field, particularly from my spirit friends. But what was about to happen next absolutely blew me away. Leaning? It's a leaning brunette. Holy shit. Can you tell us her name? Try it again, a little bit clearer.
Though it wouldn't appear that we've captured any of our spirit friends who have perished in the blowhole, we've come across a very observant spirit, which happened to point out that, Kylie, our investigator, had brunette hair and was leaning up against the railing at the blowhole. Who is this? I do not know. Maybe we will see in future investigations.